Binomial nomenclature by Carl Linnaeus. Binomial nomenclature is used to identify each organism. Accordingly, a scientific name has been assigned to each organism. It consists of two parts. The first part is genus and second is species. All identified organisms have been assigned a binomial name as per the guidelines of the International Code of Nomenclature. All the organisms of a species are so similar that irrespective of differences in color, height, habitats and habits, they can reproduce among themselves and form new individuals like themselves. For example, all domestic cats in the world belong to the same species. The same is true in the case of animals like hen, cow, dog, etc. and plants like mango, wheat, maize, etc. For example, the scientific name for dog is Canis lupus familiaris. For cow is Bos tarus. Hibiscus called Hibiscus rosa sinensis and jar is called Sorghum bicolor.